Hi everyone, Dimitri's here, trying to find a place to camp for the night. But the forecast is telling me there's a bad weather coming. So stick around to see what happens. Oh, by the way, please leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. Yeah. So I was looking at my cell phone reception. It says there is a Airbnb somewhere. Oh, well, it says this sign right here. Oh, watch out for. Oh wow, white horses. Yeah, this area here right now. It's so freaking quiet. It's all I have on me is this guy right here. Wild horses. Oh my God. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Wow. Well, I think I found it. This is the only gate within 3 kilometers. But there's a little cable, aircraft cable right over here. Yeah, it's an aircraft cable. Oh my. Anyways, I'm gonna go around. Well, I think I found this one over here. Look like there's already people there. I think they say it's number 2, so this might be number 1, 2, and down there number 3. It looks very well put together. So let's go see. Okay, wood. This is a good sign. Wood. It must be a fire pit somewhere around here. I believe there's a fire pit somewhere right there. I believe there's a fire pit right here. Just in case I decide to make a fire tonight. But there is something I want to show you. There is right there. Well, you know what? Yes, it is cold. Hot tub. We're going in. Yes. It's minus 14 right now, so I don't know if we're going in. But I'm going to be brave. Okay. Wow. That's cute. Yeah, right here. it's super quiet. Well, there's a barbecue. I have food in the back. I really hope nobody walks on this guy here in the middle of the night, because I'm gonna be able to hear everything. And this is it, right here. Oh my God, you guys have no idea what I remember right now. There was a movie, I think that was made in the 70s or 80s or 90s, I don't know, called Amityville. And this Amityville, it was a haunted house. And the windows in front of the haunted house had that shape. Oh, oh my God. Let's go inside. Wow. I think there's 2 beds upstairs. And this is where I'm going to spend the night. Interesting. I think this is the bathroom. Wow. Okay. Make sure there's nobody there. Okay. Oh, toilet. I guess I'm not going to be doing anything in the bush tonight. Hey everyone, I think it's time to sleep. I'm super tired. It was 3 hours to find this place. Thank God I found it. Well, it worked out very well. So trying to fall asleep now, guys, and I'll see you all in the morning. Okay? Have your own good night. Bye. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Wow, what a beautiful day. Wow, amazing. Morning, everyone. It's time to make some breakfast, right? Oh, looking nice outside. Well, now I'm gonna start making some coffee. Coffee's right over here. Here you go. So I got the sausage right here that I was wanna do in the bush. I wanna do it out there, but the weather got really cold, got really bad, and then thank God I found this place. So this sausage right here, it's a chicken sausage with berries. And this bacon here is also local bacon, local farmers. Okay guys, there's something about these berries right here because they are Canadian berries, they are local berries, right? Saskatoon berries. So you gotta be careful when you go out there to forage them because there's also bears are looking for them. So it's gonna be you and the bears are looking for these little guys right here. They're not very sweet. People go out there, farmers or kids, sometimes they go out there in the summer, just collect them to make pies, to make sausages, right? So they're very local, they're very traditional. You don't see many cultures out there that do this type of thing. It's more like a Canadian thing. So yeah, we're gonna cook. I never had this sausage before, so we're gonna cook them and see what's the mix, how they taste with the chicken. In the morning when you're hungry, oh my God, those are perfect combination. A lot of protein in the morning, guys. Sausage, bacon, eggs. This is what we need, right? Probably gonna say it's a lot of bacon. Well, you know, sometimes when I cook a lot of bacon during the day like this, I pack some of them, I put it in the bag, and I take out there with me, right? So as I'm hiking, as I'm walking, as I'm doing a lot of physical stuff, I grab one of these, right? Chug it down. So give me protein during my day. Even this guy's right here, right? Sausages, right? So I know it's a lot right now. I'm going to eat some of it. We're going to pack some of those guys and take him out. Here, I found this guy, and I found the creek right there, which is right over here. So what I have to do, oops, look at this. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna lead up this guy. There's everything here. And I'm gonna do something right there. So, right here, where I'm getting all wet already. It's funny. Oh, through it. Here we go. The problem will be for me to open a good area right here for me to go in. All right, let's see what I can do. Okay, I just lit up this guy right here. And then I'm gonna put some water right there. And then, there you go. And then after this nice and hot here inside, I'm going right there. So, what I make, or everybody that goes to the bush, they know this. We make these little guys right here. So this is a way for you to have the fire start your fire very quick. Make a bunch of these guys right here, throw it in the fire like I have it there already, and then you're gonna, for sure, that you're gonna have your fire going. So remember, a good sharp knife, and make a bunch of these guys right here. So and then again, once you have those guys, cut them off, throw it in the fire. All right, I think now I have it going. Gonna wait for these rocks to be nice and hot. And if none of that works out, I think I have a second option right here. Let's see if this guy is running. Oh yeah, right here. Yeah. So jump over here in the ice and back in the hot water over here. Let me see how this guy's going. This is what I call, guys, glamping. A glamorous camping. Let me see this guy here. Well, it's nice and hot and nice and warm. Let me see the fire, if the fire is still in a good shape. This guy is gonna start steaming up pretty soon. And then I'll be able to jump in the ice outside and back right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's coming. We're getting there. We're getting there, guys. So yeah, then you sit right here, let the heat do the job. Okay, this is a good sign and a bad sign. The good sign is where I'm standing right now. See, the footsteps is getting very wet. So that means this whole section over here, it's not very frozen. But I can see lumps right here. So I don't think this is deep enough for me to be able to make a hole, but I'm gonna try. Well, trying to break the ice didn't work out very well. First of all, it's very shallow. So it broke, and then there's about like this much water. I won't be able to go inside unless I make a huge like trench and then lay down flat. But no, gonna go, it's hot as hell over here. Gonna go outside, and then I'm gonna rolling the snow. When it's minus 20, that hurts. Oh, dear. If you're asking yourself right now, is that cold over there? Like, guy has no shirt, it's minus 20 degrees. Yes, it is cold. But you know what's better than this? This. Right here. Oh, socks. Socks on everything. Oh boy. But yes. Whew. And today, guys, this is my outdoor adventures, right? Sometimes you need to change your environment a little bit. And this is how it is. From time to time, you go from rough to this right here. Believe it or not, it's minus 20 right now. If you look at my beard right here, there's ice like forming in my beard right there in my hair. But it's really, believe it or not, it's very good for you, very good for your body. Here we go, look. It's freezing already. Yeah. But yeah, Eastern Europeans minus 20 right now. And Eastern European people, they do this in minus 30, minus 40. All right, here we go.